In this video, I am sharing some ideas, which may come in handy, if you fell ill, or get infected with viral fever, influenza, or COVID-19. Our blood oxygen level is a measure of how much oxygen our red blood cells are carrying. Our body regulates our blood oxygen level, and people with chronic health conditions may require to monitor their blood oxygen level with this simple device, known as pulse oximeter. This device helps in estimating the amount of oxygen in our blood, and test may has a 2% error window, like 2% higher or lower than our actual blood oxygen level, and can be very helpful if it is in our home. During or after a fever, if our lungs are infected with virus, then our body may not get the desired amount of oxygen, which can be easily detected with a pulse oximeter. A pulse oximeter shows the oxygen level and pulse rate of a human body. A person with oxygen level of 95 to 100 is considered normal for most healthy individuals, and a reading of 92 and below means deficiency in oxygen level in our body and requires immediate medical attention, like a mechanical ventilation or ventilatory support, which can help an individual to breathe. If somebody is far from reach of any kind of medical support or a hospital, then one can sleep onto their stomach or onto their side while lying down, which can be remarkably effective at boosting blood oxygen saturation levels among individuals with breathing problems or suffering from low-level oxygen. Some foods can also help our body by boosting the oxygen carrying capacity and can increase our body immunity. Some foods with high oxygen radical absorbance capacity are clove, spices, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and some other fruits and vegetables. A person consuming ginger, tulsi, and turmeric can boost immunity by enhancing the oxygen radical absorbance capacity in our body. COVID-19 is new and has only been around for a few months, so at this point nobody knows that much about it, and we are all learning more about it every day. An infected person can spread the virus particles through coughing, touching other people, or leaving the virus on surfaces, so we should clean and disinfect our surroundings by spraying 1% sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is very effective at killing the virus and other bacteria, and alcohol can also destroy the protein and RNA that the virus is made up of. This sodium hypochlorite is often used as a disinfectant or a bleaching agent, and more than 0.5% can be poisonous if ingested and cause irritation and can damage our skin and eyes. It should never be sprayed on human and can be dangerous, as Health Ministry has stated that spraying the external part of the body cannot kill the virus that has entered the human body. For using sodium hypochlorite liquid, we should mix 1 part of bleach to 4 parts water, and spraying it using a spraying machine can disinfect surfaces only, but not any human body. Spraying sodium hypochlorite and UV radiation can cause skin irritation and damage our eyes on humans. The COVID-19 pandemic is challenging for all of us, and we are living and passing through tough times, so it is better to know and have some weapons through which we can fight COVID-19 in our homes. Washing our hands with 70% alcohol-based hand rub sanitizer is one of the best ways to kill the virus in our hands, but still scrubbing with soap for 20 seconds and rinsing properly with water is the best way to kill the novel coronavirus, as well as other germs, of our hands.